Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unarchive a WhatsApp group using the PC app, especially with the latest updates. If you've accidentally archived a group chat and want to bring it back, follow these simple steps. First, go ahead and open WhatsApp on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and have the application running smoothly. Once you're in, take a look at the left side menu. You'll notice several options, but we're specifically looking for archived chats. Click on that. This section holds all the conversations you've archived, making it easy to keep your main chat list tidy. Now, it's time to find the group you want to unarchive. Scroll through the list of archived chats until you spot the group you've been missing. It shouldn't take long to locate it. Once you've found the group, you can take the final step. Simply right-click on the group name. A small menu will appear. Here, you will see the option to unarchive chat. Click on that, and just like that, the group will be restored to your main chat list. And there you have it. Unarchiving a group on WhatsApp using the PC app is as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, keeping your chats organized is key, and with these simple steps, you can always access your favorite groups whenever you need to. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for joining us, and happy chatting on WhatsApp.